Last year was a significant year for Welsh Water. We had the freeze thaw that happened in December 2022, which had a huge impact on customers across Wales.
From last year's freeze thaw incident, we learned that we can be somewhat better prepared and more resilient by working early with external partners and with farmers particularly to ensure that the supply to the customer is maintained or alternative supplies are provided where the network does suffer a loss.
There's a huge amount that we do to prepare for winter. We look at all of the steps that we need to make sure that we've got in place to support our customers in those times. So that's making sure we've got generators, sandbags should there be flooding, making sure that we've got lists of vulnerable customers fully up to date, that we've got additional resources lined up to be deployed in any eventuality.
We've invested in further data loggers on the network, so they really are our eyes and ears across our network to help us identify in almost real time where the problems are occurring.
We have people available 24/7 throughout the evenings and weekends to make sure that if anything happens anywhere in Wales, we've got all the resources there to drive our tankers that provide alternative water, deploy bottled water, support on our telephones, all of the customer service channels you would expect. The more proactive we as a business and our customers can be, the more prepared we'll be for winter.